Hello everyone, welcome to this course. In this lecture, we're going to be looking at the basic tools that we're needing for this particular project. In this project, we're going to be needing two basic tools to help us going. And one of those tools is Visual Studio Code, popularly known as VS Code. Visual Studio Code is a modern text editor that enables us to be able to type. It is one of the most popular text editor currently used by millions of developers. The second tool needed for this course is going to be a browser, which we're going to be using to view our web pages. So if you don't have these tools, let's see how we can get them downloaded. If you go to this website code.visualstudio.com/download, you'll see the home page of Visual Studio Code where you can actually download the software. If you are using a Windows 8, 10, 11, you can just hit this button and download it. If you are using an Linux operating system, or if you are even using a MacBook, you can just click on this button and it will get downloaded. Usually to take about 30 to 40 seconds depending on how fast your network is. So in case you don't have a browser, you can actually download Google Chrome from google.com/chrome, as this is what we're going to be using. But if you already have a browser, feel free to use the browser of your choice. After downloading this application, kindly install it and let's move to the next session. In case you encounter any error during the process of downloading and installing all these applications, kindly let me know in the questions and answers segment, and I will give response to it as fast as possible. Thank you. See you in the next session. Bye for now.